Hello and welcome back. It's time to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently the world's most successful non-monetary blockchain. If you've been following the crypto markets at all, then you know that it's an explosive ride of huge gains and massive corrections. It's certainly not for the faint-hearted, and you do need a thick skin. However, don't make the mistake of volatility with performance. Yes, it is very volatile. However, Bitcoin went up over 287% last year. Excellent gains which would make any investor extremely happy. Ethereum, on the other hand, went up over 460%, making even Bitcoin's returns look modest. So having recently done my Bitcoin price prediction, and I'll link that below for those who haven't seen it, by popular request, this video is going to be Ethereum's price prediction for 2021. Firstly, I just want to say price predictions are notoriously difficult and no one really knows exactly where the price is going to be going. However, having been invested in the crypto market for the last couple of years, I've experienced some huge gains and also a long 2-year pullback. So I just wanted to share with you where I think Ethereum could be headed over the next year. I'll include a bull case, which is why I think Ethereum could explode this year, and I'll also include a bear case as what could stop Ethereum in its tracks. As always, if you do find anything useful in the video, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated, as every like does help. Okay, so sit back and relax, guys. Here is my logical progression of where I see Ethereum going in 2021. Okay, here is what we've got coming up. The first point I need to make is about correlation. We'll then take a look and see the impact of this 4-year cycle and where we're at today. I'll then give you my big, bold Ethereum price prediction, and then finish with the bull case of why Ethereum could crush it this year, and also a bear case to how Ethereum could be stopped. So first up, correlation. What are we looking at? So we've got 2 charts here. This chart is the Bitcoin price for the last 5 years, and this chart is the market cap. So this is the entire cryptocurrency market. And you can see that these charts are nearly identical. So if we just follow one of them, and you'll be able to see on the other chart, we have this big run up, we have drops, we have little run-ups, drops, we have the peak here, and then the big long pullback. We have this kind of bowl. It follows it nearly identically down. We have a peak, we have a trough. And as you can see, this pretty much correlates with the entire market. So I would say Bitcoin is the market. Where Bitcoin goes, the market goes, and vice versa. Next, this is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the blue line at the top is the Bitcoin price, and the bottom line is the Ethereum price. And this is a logarithmic chart. And again, if you just follow these lines, they are nearly identical, indicating that when Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down. When Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up, and it pretty much follows the exact same pattern. So as you can see, Bitcoin is King Kong. When Bitcoin goes up, the whole market goes up. And when Bitcoin drops, the whole market drops. Also, when Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up. And when Bitcoin crashes, Ethereum crashes. They are both correlated. Now, I can hear what some of you are saying. Yes, but they shouldn't be correlated. They're completely different. Bitcoin is digital gold, a store of wealth. Ethereum is a protocol, Internet 2.0, for building decentralized applications. And yes, you would be right. And I do think 5 years from now, if they're both still around, they will begin to diverge and pull apart. But as of today, they are correlated. So the first point I am making is this: Ethereum goes where Bitcoin goes. So to predict the Ethereum price, we have to base it off Bitcoin. So in my price prediction for Bitcoin, I first introduced this stock to flow model, and it's a really good chart. So first of all, running through the middle, this is the moving average, and you can see the different bull markets for Bitcoin over the last 10 years. And you'll notice that the price always goes from overvalued, the moving average, to below, undervalued, to overvalued, and it shows these 4-year cycles. So at the halving events, you can see a halving event here. There was a big 1-year cycle up, followed by a 4-year going across. A 1-year cycle up and a 4-year cycle across. So right now we're in the middle of this big 1-year shoot. And you can see recently the price actually crossed over, and this is where Bitcoin went to $40,000. So this pullback to $30,000 actually still follows suit. And what Stock to Flow is also saying is that in this next cycle, it's going to be taking Bitcoin to this $100,000 mark. And it also wouldn't surprise me if we had a huge 50% pullback, as this is what it's done time and time again. So this year looks like a growth year, which only happens every 4 years. And Stock to Flow is estimating the Bitcoin price going to about $85,000 to $100,000. So we need to base our Ethereum price prediction off Bitcoin. So how do we do that? Well, for me, there's 2 logical scenarios. The first is looking at the price relationship between Ethereum and Bitcoin during the last bull market cycle, and the second is the price relationship from Ethereum to Bitcoin today. So here is my big bold price prediction. So this one will be based off the last cycle. So here we have the Bitcoin price here, and we have the Ethereum price underneath. And this was the last bull market cycle ending beginning of 2018. So the Bitcoin high went to $19,335. Ethereum's high was $1,425. This means Ethereum's price was 7% of Bitcoin's. So the assumption here would be if Bitcoin could go to 100,000 in this next cycle, this would give Ethereum, and a little drum roll please, a price of $7,000. And the second prediction, and this is based off the price right now. So Bitcoin's price as of recording is around 31,000 and Ethereum is around 1,100. So this is actually now further away. It's 3.7% difference. So this would mean that if Bitcoin went to 100,000 in this next cycle, then the Ethereum price would be $3,700. So we have $3,700 and also $7,000, which either way would mean another huge year for Ethereum. In fact, that's between a 200 and 500% increase from today's price. But could anything stop this from happening? Well, to finish, here is my quick bull case. 3 reasons why I think Ethereum will crush everything else this year, and then also my bear case as to what could stop Ethereum in its tracks. So let me give you a quick bull case for Ethereum as to why it could crush it this year. So we're heading over to CoinMarketCap, and this lists the top 100 coins here, and you can see, and it's sorted by market cap. But this is all the cryptocurrencies. So if you go to CoinMarketCap /tokens/views/all, this will list the top 100 tokens. And all the tokens need to run off a blockchain. So what I want to point out here is that which blockchain are these tokens using? And if you see, we have Tether, and Tether runs on Ethereum. Chainlink, it runs on Ethereum. USD Coin runs on Ethereum. And as you can see, as I scroll down, it's Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. All of these tokens run on Ethereum. So this is showing the first mover advantage. And these are all the top tokens. These are all in the billions of dollars. 24 billion, 8 billion, 5 billion. In fact, nearly every single billion-dollar token runs on Ethereum. And you can scroll down and just see how many of the tokens actually run on Ethereum. It is clearly dominating. So this is the power of first mover advantage and the power of the network effect. Here, building on the network effect, this is Ethereum's unique addresses. And look at this chart, look at the trend line. So it's now crossed over 125 million different addresses. And again, you can see this first mover advantage, this network effect, and the more people that use Ethereum, the more powerful the network is going to become. And lastly, we have Ethereum 2.0. So Ethereum right now is built on a protocol called Proof of Work. And the problem is that it can only action 15 transactions per second. The competition, people like Visa, can process 24,000 transactions per second. So you can see this is the biggest sticking point for Ethereum. It's not yet fast enough. However, with Ethereum 2.0 moving to a proof of stake protocol, this will increase it to 100,000 transactions per second. So as soon as Ethereum 2.0 comes out, it's going to blow away the current competition. And to finish, let's just check the bear case. What could stop Ethereum in its tracks? Now, the bear case is quite simple. The first one is governments. Will governments leave Bitcoin alone this year? Because I think this year is going to be the explosive year, and as long as governments keep out of the way, we are all good. And the second point is competitors. There are up-and-coming networks coming. We have Polkadot, Stellar, Cardano being the closest. Can Ethereum hold off the competitors until Ethereum 2.0 is launched? If they can, then it's going to be a great year for Ethereum. So there you are, guys. That was my price prediction for Ethereum 2021. Ultimately, no one knows where the price is going, so let's keep things in perspective. Whether it's 4,000, 7,000, 10,000, ultimately it would be a great year for Ethereum, as long as governments and competitors don't mess things up. Now, my biggest personal position is in Ethereum, so I do wish all the Ethereum investors and also any of the developers building on this protocol the best of luck. So just one favor to ask, if you did find anything useful in the video, be sure to drop a like. That would be much appreciated. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to click below and join us. I do have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. I would love to know what your price prediction is for Ethereum this year, so post that below in the comments. Okay, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.